So from the work for Tuesday, our second day of e-learning, the one that I got the most questions on, and the part when I was looking through the submissions that are in so far, that most people were struggling with is trying to decide what kind of a conic section you have. So the general form has ax squared plus bxy, cy squared, dx, ey plus f. We're pretty much just going to deal with cases where the b value is 0. So trying to decide what kind of a conic you have, you're really looking at the A and the C to help you determine that. And so if either A or C is 0, then you get a parabola. What that means is that only one variable is squared, either the x or the y, but not both. So looking down here at the bottom, this would fit that scenario. What else? Oh, the first one actually fits that scenario, that only one is squared. This one as well. And even one more. All of those are giving me a parabola. If I have different signs, one positive, one negative, then I get a hyperbola. Well, that's really when I'm in this format where they're all on the left-hand side of the equation. So here's an example of one that would be a hyperbola. Here I have a positive y squared and negative 4x squared. That's a hyperbola. This one would be a hyperbola as well. Let's see here. If I have the same sign but different values, then I get an ellipse. So same sign but different values. This one would be an ellipse. This one's also an ellipse. This one's also an ellipse. Well, what do you have if you have a circle? Then if you have same sign and same value. Then you get a circle. So an example might be something like 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 16x plus 12y equals 20. Could be an example of a circle. Notice that I had to have both positives, both positive 4, exactly the same. All right, I hope that helps clear up some things from yesterday, and then go ahead on to the work for today. Thanks.